Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. Today I'm gonna show you how to active Zelle in Chase Bank. So let's start. Open browser and connect proxy. My proxy already connected. Then see my Chase Bank already login here. So I will show how to active Zelle in Chase Bank. Click pay and transfer, then pay bills and send money with Zelle. So loading a little bit. Now got it, click, then add new receipt, click here, get started, click terms, then click next, and now you put your email or phone number which on you need to active. So I will active on via email. So I put email, then click next. And now I need a verification code. See, your verification code says quick pay with Zelle. So this is the code, copy and put your code, click active. See, send money with Zelle. You are all set. My Zelle active. Now I can use my Zelle. So that's the video. It's too easy. So if you want to buy Chase Bank, then join my Telegram and knock me. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like and comment. Thank you.